Hello everyone, I've made my way to Black Rocks, which is just past Cromford. There are a couple of ways of getting here. I drove up the hill, Cromford Hill, and from Chesterfield it only took me 26 minutes. So that's pretty good. There's a car park just down yonder. You will have to pay, or you can just park outside if you get here early enough. Another way you can do it is if you park down at High Peak Junction. We are on the High Peak Trail here, and I have actually, it's quite a nice walk, but it's a huge hill, and I have actually got up there on my bike a couple of times. Pretty good. But Black Rock's just up here. You can keep going that way if you want to make it into a bike ride. Let's go and check the rocks out. Now, you may have noticed if you came through Cromford, which I'm sure you did, on the way here from Chesterfield, there's some huge mills on the left. The Mason Mill, Sir Richard Arkwright, right in the heart of the Industrial Revolution there. So a lot of history. Might be nice for you to have a look around Cromford, and obviously you came through Matlock Bath as well, which is beautiful. So yeah, we'll get some views of both of those places from the top. You also might want to have a look at Scarthin Books, which is in the bottom of Cromford. And yeah, lovely, delightful little bookshop, quite famous throughout the county. So a lot of rock climbers here as well. Claims to be the birthplace of rock climbing. I can see why. Let's go and check it out. Quite a steep walk up here, so whatever you do, just don't come in sandals. Bring some good quality shoes, you'll be all right. See, the view's getting pretty nice already. A couple of ways up here, well, 3 ways up here actually, but I wouldn't suggest you go straight up there. You can probably do it, but it's pretty dangerous. You can get up the middle way there. If you get to this bit here, you can go around the back. That's an easier route. Let's go the middle way. Okay, a few things to see here. Here's the one of the mills I was talking about earlier. The trees there's a bit of a turret, and that's the Heights of Abraham. And let's have a look over here. Here's Ryder Castle, which, if you watch the film Dead Man's Shoes, you may remember the grisly ending there. Pretty grim. In the 70s, it used to be a zoo. I heard stories of a wallaby escaping, or a kangaroo. It got to Derby before they caught it, about 20 miles away. But yeah, some fantastic scenery here. You can normally see the cable cars as well. I can't see them today, but that's Matlock Bath as well.